Numbers are everywhere, in shapes and ratios, and there is always a logical explanation for any given pattern of numbers.
Heard of culinary math? No? A Cook's routine includes simple to complex mathematical calculations. Examples include increasing a recipe yield, determining a ratio for preparing stuff, or knowing how much ingredients is necessary for the dish. Culinary math begins with the basics of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, along with ratios, yields, and percentages.
Divide them together, you get the square root of 2. Now if you cut this A4 in half, the long edge and the short edge will still have the same ratio of square root of 2.